right, now I try and turn driver. Where's he going? Hey, you're about to tap your bumper. He's on the shock guard bolt, the shock bolt. He might have just sheared it.
That's what it's there for.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching.
Well, we finally made it to the SAVEEXPO. It is now 4:55 and we're about 10 or 15 cars behind the front. You can see that. Obstacle course this way, Mista Bay over here. Thanks to Lucas for saving our spot while we had to go tend to some business. Yeah, this has been a little bit of a traffic jam, but we're here and I miss my girls already and my son, who's a wild man. His nickname now is Rafi, for he's acting like a wild fool. But here we are, and we're looking forward to redemption run on the Boulder Garden on the obstacle course from last year where we got beached on our 38. So now we're on 40s. Let's get it. All right, so we're at the obstacle course. It's not ready yet. Mr. Rhino on 42s is currently giving it the old test with the excavator before we have our hand in it and rearranging the rocks. They're definitely gonna need some excavator when we're done with it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are at the SAVEEXPO in Keystone Heights, Florida, 2026 SAVEEXPO. Great event. We've been 2 years in a row. Huge shout out to Alyssa. She does a great job, even despite the actual venue kind of throwing her a bone and a wrench in the mix at the last second by hosting a race like the day of and the day before. Anyways, here we are kind of just moseying on down the obstacle course, headed to the rock garden. In this section of the rock garden, we actually were beached for like 2 hours in 2025.
Holy! Picked that whole thing up and kicked it. Rick! What? Getting a little tippy now.
Back then we were on 38s, so a little bit of an upgrade now to 40s, but just see the difference if you've gone and watched that video, the difference between how we did last year and how we did this year. It's incredible. And part of my voice, we did some 3 AM MMA training apparently, and my voice has been gone for days, so stay tuned and see what's coming next.
Yeah, I think in a good line. Just like that, bro. There's no way I can do this line. 40s. That's big change. Big change.
Well, we did it first try. The big rock garden. Yes. Take a look.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us.
Alright, let's move out of the way so Lucas can come up. Can you, so I wanted your passenger tire to be cresting this rock here in the middle. Are you trying to avoid this rock completely?
I want to be sure my rear end can also go on this.
Okay, well I would go straight then. Yep, keep going, keep going. All right, now I try and turn driver. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. All right, hold on. Hey, hold passenger just a little longer because you're gonna drop big time. A little more passenger. That's the drop. Oh, I lost my hat. There you go, man. Huh? Hell yeah. Give us a rev. I love it. Actually done, man. Subscribe for more of this.
That's a turbo?
Yeah.
Nice. Twin turbo.
Oh, it's a Hurricane. Okay, it says, yeah, okay. Yeah.
With the car seats in it. Hell yeah. Kids love to go. I bet, dude. I bet.
Yeah, so that's a 6 king for camera.
Huh. RHO, buddy. There it is.
A little bit this time. Tried to make it a little more challenging. Get some more line.
Right there. It's right there where that Jeep is.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
You can take the line like I did.
Yeah, we gotta go.
All right. Reworked all this. This should come off from bigger mold. Keep coming. Hold that line. This way just a little bit, yeah. Not easy. How's that panel look over there in the front?
It's getting close, but
Line right there. Nice and slow. You don't want to
yep. You locked up in the back? Okay. He's clear of the sharp rock. He's on his trailing arm. He's still good. Oh. I think he's stuck on his shock guard.
Is it?
Either that or the trailing arm, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
Last second.
Yep.
You on the brakes? Go the other.
right there. No, you're good. I'll go.
No.
You know what your rig is missing? It's not more lights or stronger bumpers or bigger tires. What you need is a glue tread kit. Let me show you what I mean. Here's your typical tire repair kit. But what happens when you get a nail or a screw or a rock through your sidewall? Well, you're toast, right? Well, at least that's what 25 years of off-roading has taught us. But now, you're not. Glue tread, sidewall patch repairs. You don't think they work? Here's 2 clips to show you that they do. Clearly here is the leak.
Yeah, as you can see, but
Oh yeah, maybe for the thing. Oh, what happened? You dropped all the patches just now?
oh.
This guy did. My trusty associate.
So what you gotta give is give it a hot tour.
Got you with the headlight action. Whoa, 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 you're going down the mountain. You got to at least last 30 seconds here, bro, okay? Before you release.
I can't even do that at home.
Come on. You know what else? We took this and repaired a blown wheel on our TRX. Didn't think it held air? Check this clip out. Now if it's leaking, you'll see some bubbles that are kind of ballooning up a little bit. So look at that, dude. Glue tread repaired the wheel. Can you believe that? I mean, I'm asking you, do you believe that?
I believe it.
I rubberized my wheel. Might be asking yourself, hey Rick, or asking me, I guess, which vehicles does glue tread work on? Which vehicle should I keep a glue tread kit? Let me show you. A lawnmower, glue tread. Golf cart, glue tread. Kids side by side, glue tread. Adult side by side, glue tread. Ride on electric dinosaur, glue tread. Dyno truck, glue tread. Perhaps the most important use when you only have 1 tire, glue tread. How bad is he? Where's he going? Hey, 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 you're about to tap your bumper. You got 3 inches till your bumper taps the big sharp rock. I don't know about that.
Need to just
Alarm before your tire hits.
He's on the bolt. He's on the bolt. No, no, no. He's on the bolt. He's on the shock guard bolt. The shock bolt. He might have just sheared it. No, he's good. Wes, we just gotta put like 2 rocks there, man. It's literally just.
I know, dude. That's when I saw this truck and,
Yeah.
I looked underneath
Yeah.
it. I was like, damn.
Well,
that's
you need
gonna
that
be a
travel
big
though. You
number.
need that length
I
so you
know.
have the travel for the
I know.
suspension and stuff.
Yeah, you just need the slider
It's just
on
literally that one shock mount and then the trailing arm. So like if we put 2 rocks there and you climb up, like you're smooth sailing. You good?
there. Just got on top of it already.
No, he's still plowing it. Yeah, you need a couple more rocks there. Can you back up a little bit more, Lucas? Yeah, back up like a couple more inches, man.
You need one more rock there. One more rock. There you go. Now it's clear.
Oh,
now it's good. Now it's
right
good. There you go. That's it.
Oh, that right one's closed, basically.
Yeah, he's gonna be okay. He might slide from this one. Ah, actually good. Push him. It's gonna be dropped now. Up. There you go.
Just on your mud flap. You're about to climb. There you go. Nice.
A little help from a rock.
Woo! Good job, man.
Yeah, thanks. It's just a little bit different line choice.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us.
You need to go back and get the more momentum.
There we go. I hit a good speed with my stump. It'll be alright.
A little baby bump, you know?
Yeah. Little bump.
Stay in it, 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 stay in it.
Go big in. Now try to go. Rock back and forth. Now go back.
Okay. Don't stop, go. Yeah.
He's almost got it, there he goes. Oh, he lifted a log.
He has skip plates.
Solid.
Yeah, everything's protected.
There it is.
Now you are on the log.
Yep.
Yeah, you got a log on it. Hold on.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, I missed it. It's that soft stuff, man.
You don't want to dig in. If it doesn't move, just stop.
Okay.
Tell him to hit.
And yeah, hit it.
Stay in it, stay in it. Okay, stay in it. Go, 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 go. Almost. Man. All right, so Dadam doesn't know that I pranked him, and I put my broken garden hose spigot on his rinse kit. So when he goes to clean his truck out, he's gonna spray him everywhere. I can't wait to see this. Let's see if I can pretend like I'm not recording. Oh no, it's gonna get Dad. I had to get you with that. 10 seconds. Oh, it's coming!